In this video, we are going to discuss about R2R ladder DAC. DAC is nothing but digital analog converter. In R2R DAC, we are having voltage switch and current switch network. Both processes are similar. The intention of both circuits are similar. You can take any one. In this circuit, we are taking parallel resistance as 2R, series resistance as R. Digital data is provided as A1, A2 and A3. Starting bit is considered as MSB, whereas the last bit is considered as LSB. Here voltage resistance is equals to minus VR is connected to ground. Now we are going to take the value of A1 equals to 1, A2 and A3 equals to 0. As A1 equals to 1, we are connected it with the voltage and the remaining A2 and A3 are connected to the ground. So these two are in resistance are in parallel. Then the resultant resistance is 2R into 2R by 2R plus 2R equals to 4R square by 4R equals to R. Why I am taking this is both are connected to the same line and same ground. So they are said to be in parallel. Now modified diagram. Now both are in series. R plus R equals to 2R. These are known as resultant resistance. Now again these 2R and 2R are in parallel resistance. So 2R into 2R by 2R plus 2R equals to 4R square by 4R equals to R. Then again these R and R are in series resistance. R plus R equals to 2R. When you saw two parallel resistance, one is having reference voltage, you need to apply Thevenin's voltage or Thevenin's resistance formula. VTH equals to minus VR into 2R by 2R plus 2R equals to minus VR into 2R by 2R by 4R square. R and R are cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s are equals to minus VR by 2. RTH equals to 2R is parallel to 2R equals to R. This is the Thevenin's equivalent of two resistance. As we are not having both connected to the ground, that means we need to get some voltage equivalent resistance. Resultant resistance equals to R and voltage resistance equals to minus VR by 2. Two resistance are in series. R plus 2R equals to 3R. Now we are having just input resistance and input voltage to minus feedback and the minus feedback resistance. Now V0 equals to minus 3R by 3R into minus VR by 2 equals to minus feedback resistance by input resistance into input voltage. So here 3R and 3R are going to cancel, minus and minus equals to plus, V0 equals to VR by 2. So whenever MSB equals to 1, that means A1 equals to 1, we are getting V0 equals to VR by 2. This is the R2R ladder DAC voltage series.